Hey there, nice to meet ya. I know, it has been so long since I have posted a video on my channel. And today's video is only for you. I will be presenting one among the best free 4K screen recorder as well as game streaming software for your PC. And of course, it is absolutely free of use, and can easily be downloaded. Throughout this video, I will be mentioning some of the cool features with live demo, and also, I will demonstrate a complete tutorial on how to install it on your computer. Installing this software is much easier than working with it, I guess, so let's don't waste any time. You can download the file from the below link, that is from the description below. Okay, now it's launch time, let's do the same. Open the executable file to start Gamecaster. You can either search for it, nor at times a shortcut might have created on your desktop. Open it. The most important thing is that you have to be connected to a proper internet connection to work with Gamecaster. Make sure that everything is perfecto before launching it, or else it won't be getting opened. For the first time, you might be wondering about where to start from, but later, upon further checks, I'm sure that you will be familiar with most of those settings. But don't worry, I will show some of them briefly. There are a lot of features in it for sure, all of them are so catchy and easy to use. Try logging in with any of the social medias. It will provide you with more benefits. So let's talk about some of those settings. The first advantage is that you can stream musics with Gamecaster. Secondly, you can also stream directly to some of the most popular social platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch and more. Now in the bottom left corner, you can move to the settings where you can find a lot of settings. From there you can make changes to all essentials that involves in recording and streaming, like changing the quality of the recording video, change the sound quality, apply gaming frames and more. The most important feature is that you can record nor stream at 4x resolution, that is 4K. You can also download a lot of game streaming frames and themes from the store provided by Gamecaster. And that too by spending some coins that you earn through Gamecaster for streaming over their platform. Follow me to change the quality of the recordings. And that's all what I can show you, but bear in mind that this is only few of the tons. Discover all of the others by yourselves. So now it's time to end up the video. I hope you liked it. If so, please do subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon next to it. See you in another one. Till then, bye bye.
You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies.